This view explains how to make a comparison between two buildings. This way, you can clearly see the energy consumption by site or building during a time period. How to do this? Selecting a time period, you can display the average outside temperature and all your usage and zone categories. And here you can see building 1 and 2 and the gap between both. This is important for facility managers to easily get an overview on each building and what their trends are, all in one unique graphic. A similar comparison can be done for two buildings where you compare your electrical energy distribution in a time period. This means, for example, if you want to know what's coming in from the main grid for the two different buildings. Thus, you can have data coming in from two different energy sources in two different buildings, and what your energy source distribution breakdown is. This data is easily analysed in kilowatt hours, in currency if you want to know the costs, or in CO2 if you want to see what your building's carbon footprint is. In the same graphic, you can choose the analysis you want to run and for which building.